for MAAP, which is Mapping Antimicrobial Resistance and Antimicrobial Use Partnerships. This is a project which is funded through the UK aid from the Fleming Fund, and it's one of the regional grants within the Fleming Fund flagship. The project mainly has a critical component of strengthening surveillance across 14 countries in improving data quality and also data volumes across the countries. The project has made tremendous impacts in the previous phase one of the grant. The phase one largely collected retrospective data from 2016 to 2018 with a key of defining the gaps, but also understanding the landscape of AMR data collection and also generation across these labs and also utilization. Within the phase one grant, the MAAP project collected this, digitized the data. Many of the data was in paper-based, so the project digitized and analyzed, but also produced reports. These reports had critical impact within the countries because it's really largely highlighted that the bacteriology services across all these countries is very minimal, but also the supply chain system for antimicrobial usage and consumption was underutilized. So largely the data is available, but if it is available, it's in very minimal quantities, but also not of very good quality. So this now has informed the phase two of the grant to go back to these countries, support them to build and sustain the surveillance systems in data collection, but also analysis of the data. The next steps for this project is now to engage again to go to these 14 countries to support them in prospective data collection, looking that in the last 2 years, the countries received country investments on country grant to build a surveillance system. MAAP 2 is coming to support data generation, making sure that the data is routinely collected on daily basis and is collected in right platforms, but also there is proper analysis. And furthermore, the last objective of MAAP 2 is to improve data utilization. So the data which is being collected is now analyzed and utilized in a very programmatic manner to support programs, interventions, but also support countries' national action plans.